Hello everyone, welcome back to the series. Now we have reached to 2016. So this question was asked in JEE Advanced 2016 and it was also multiple correct type. So position vector of particle of mass m is given, okay, and it is following this condition. Position as a function of time is given to us, where alpha and beta is 10 by 3 and 5 respectively, with their units, okay, and mass is 0.1 kg. At t equal to 1 second we have to figure out velocity, angular momentum, force and torque. So looks very easy. Let's try to solve this, right? So r t, also you guys can pause the video and try to solve it by your own and can resume if you guys will not be able to solve. So let me, position vector is given as alpha t cube I cap plus beta t square j cap, right? So velocity vector will be 3 alpha t square I cap plus 2 beta t j cap. Acceleration vector will be 6 alpha t I cap plus 2 beta j cap. So what I have done, since position vector is given, so we have just differentiated it with respect to time to get the velocity, right? Because Vt is nothing but dr t by dt. Rate of change of position vector is velocity, and again then we differentiated it with respect to time, so we got acceleration, right? Because acceleration is nothing but dvt by dt. So I hope this simple maths is clear to everyone. So now we have to figure out the value at t equals to 1 second, right? So at t equal to 1 second, the velocity is given by 10 I cap plus 10 j cap. So let's put t equal to 1, then 3 alpha. Alpha is 10 by 3. So 10 I cap holds true. 2 beta. Beta is 5. So 2 into 5 is 10. And 3 into 10 by 3 is again 10. So 10 I cap plus 10 j cap is correct. A option is correct. The angular momentum with respect to origin is given as minus 5 by 3 k cap. So what is angular momentum? Angular momentum is given as mr cross v, right? So what is r? R will be at t equal to 1 second, position vector will be alpha I cap plus beta j cap, right? So alpha is 10 by 3 and beta is 5. So I can say at t equal to 1 second, position vector is 10 by 3 I cap plus 5 j cap. Also we have calculated, this is for t equal to 1, right? Also we have calculated velocity earlier, so I can also write velocity as 10 I cap plus 10 j cap. Also we should write acceleration as well. Just I am putting t equal to 1 second here. So t equal to 1 6 times alpha, which is 20 I cap plus 2 beta, which is 10 j cap. So acceleration is 20 I cap plus 10 j cap. Let's go back to the point 2, angular momentum. So angular momentum is m is given to us, m is 0.1 kg, 0.1 r cross v. R is 10 by 3 I plus 5j cross product velocity, which is 10 I plus 10j. Okay, so if you see, if you will do cross product, I multiplied by j, which is 10 by 3 into 10, which is 100 by 3, 0.1 into 100 by 3 minus 5 into 10, 50. Okay, So this will be 0.1, this will be minus 5, right? 150, 50 by 3, sorry, 150, 5 by 3, sorry, minus 5 by 3. So what is angular momentum? It is minus 5 by 3, okay, which is right. So minus 5 by 3 is correct. The force is given by 1 plus 2j Newton. So what was acceleration? Acceleration was 20 plus 10j. We can multiply it by mass, which is 1 by 10, 0.1. So it should be 2 I cap plus 1 j cap. 2 I cap plus 1, it is reverse. It is 1 I cap plus 2. So C is wrong. Let's go with D. D is what? R cross F. So again R is torque. We have to calculate torque. Torque is nothing but R cross F. Okay. So R is given 10 by 3 plus 5j. So which will be 10 by 3 torque. I am calculating torque here. Torque is R cross F. So I am writing R vector, which is 10 by 3 I cap plus 5j cap, cross product, this is cross product, force is mass into acceleration. Since mass is 0.1, I can write force as 2 I cap plus 1 j cap, right? I hope everyone is with me. Acceleration is 20 plus 10, so force will be 2 plus 10 because mass is 0.1 kg. So force is mass into acceleration. So I have just applied, I have just multiplied with 0.1. So again, if you will do 10 by 3 multiplied by 1, which is 10 by 3, minus 5 into 2, which is 10. So this will be 30 minus 10 minus 20 by 3. Minus 20 by 3, which is correct answer. So A, B, D is the correct answer. I hope everyone is clear with this. This was quite easy to score. Okay, we just have to differentiate and do the basic calculation. Okay, cool guys, see you in the next video.